Hello, welcome. Good, good day, everyone. Where, wherever you are. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to load our ebooks or our paperbacks on Amazon. I know you might have been having challenge. Oh, how can I do this? How can I do this? And what's the process? So you don't need to be scared of that. So today I'm going to show you how to do everything. So before you before you can do that, I will I will advise you to have an account with Amazon because your Amazon KDP account is connected to Amazon. So you must register first before you can do that. So as you can see um, from my own screen, kdb.amazon.com. So that is where you enter. I mean, you type in first. Then you go to sign in. But if you don't have an account, then you have to sign up. Okay. So let me just sign in. You can sign up somewhere here. So that is how the interface. I'm registered already. So when I clicked on sign in, it takes me direct to my own dashboard, to my bookshelf, the record, the community, and the marketing. So these are the steps that will help you. But first of all, what we're going to concentrate on today's training is how to create your own ebook. So previously on my video that I did on how to create or where to find ebooks, so that you and where to find free ebooks or how you can create your own ebooks. Like you get the ebooks for free, and all you need to do is to work on it. Then when you're done working on it, you can come to this place and upload, and be very careful because Amazon can strike your account if you just copy and post like that. They can strike you or block you. So what you need to do is really work on it. Then you sign up with them and come to this place. As you can see, I just did like three and two were blocked. Okay, it's only one that is live. Okay, because I was just trying out something and I didn't know what happened because then I was learning, so try to remove it, but it's still there. So just leave it here. So that is it. So look at the one that is live now and is making progress. So let's go back. Your first step you create. Okay. So they will ask you, what do you like to create? You know, we have different types like this, the ebook, the paperback, and the hardcover. So what we like to create and what we like to post. So let's take for instance, yours yours is ebook. Let's say you have an ebook or you have the paperback that is ready. So this paperback can be journal like jotter, all those that is any let's say those jotter that people can buy, those that doesn't have like low content book. So it's classified under this. So the hardcover, we all know our hardcover. You just want to sell your hardcover. So you have a new and interesting hardcover. So you can upload it. So here is a series of pages. You collect your books together and build a single. So we have so many types. So anyone that you like and that you want to promote, that's what you do. So for here, I will go with this. I'll go with this. So I'm asked to sign in before I will proceed. Okay, so and I think before you, when you are registering or doing something now, you want to log in, you have to pass series of password and all those because of security. So when you sign in completely, so these are the steps. We have three steps: the details, the content, and the payback right and pricing, where you set your prices. So the first one, we know that you choose this the language based on your own audience. Okay, like mine is English, so I'm leaving it like that. So the title. So I can let me just put because I'm dealing with content, so I can put poem. Put a poem. Then the subtitle is optional. Subtitle is optional, so I'm leaving it that way. Okay, just showing you in case you have, you can put yours. So so the next one is a series. If your book is part of a series, add series details so readers can easily find the title on a single detail page. So this is the option. So looking at it, you read it and understand whether it goes in line with your own ebook. If it does, you can add the details here. Okay. So the let the this one is the edition number. Okay, like let's take for instance you did a book and your book is the first edition, so the second one now you can put it as the third edition. So it's optional. If you don't like it or if you don't have, you leave it, but if you have a plan to make it in edition section, you can use it as well. So the next option is we have the author. Okay, so here is the preface is a Mr. or if you're a lady, Miss or Mrs. Okay, so or Master, but let me use this Mr. Okay, the first name and okay, so if you have the third and your fourth name, you can still put it. So this is the contributor. If others contribute to your book, you can add them and they will be listed on the another product details. So this aspect is those people that helped you write your book, and those people that in one way or the other you guys are two that wrote the books. So you can add the person's details too. If you have three or more, you can add another from this section. So in this place, you just describe your ebook or your low content ebook. So you describe it. Remember, the low content ebook doesn't have too many contents, just as the name implies. So you don't have to write from pages to pages. You can just do a little or little content book that is rich and like that you know that is good and can be helpful. So that is it. So we give the description. So like I choose a poem. So I will just say this motivational. Let me just it's motivational, and that will help you. Now let me say that will make you think about yourself as well let me just use that because of my time. Okay, so the next one is remember the publishing right. Remember, this is very important. I own the copyright, and I hold necessary publishing right. So the second option is this is a public domain work. Okay, so this will determine how your book will be strictly scrutinized. Okay, so if you use this, make sure it's your own. But if you know that you're not sure, okay, that the public can also come in and read about this particular place so that you know what you're doing. Okay, so take the first one. So you choose a 7 keyword that describe your book. Okay, so let's say the 7 keyword, let's say focus into success. Okay, mind changer. Okay, mind changer. Discipline. Sorry. Okay. Discipline. Okay. Let me just leave this for, but make sure that you fill up yours. Showing you. I'm just showing you what you're going to do, like what you're supposed to do. So these keywords, guys, choose up to 7 keywords that describe your book. Like I'm talking about the motivational poems. So motivational quotes. So and he's talking about I know most of the motivational quotes talking about success, focus, discipline, and all that. So you just think and come up with something that that book, that what you're intending to tell the audience, like what you want to impact in them. So that is the keyword that should be there. So you choose the next one is choose up to two browse categories. So this choose up to two browse categories. So here in this place now, does your book classify as any of this type? Choose all that, apply. So the one that we're doing is the low content, like I said, the journal, the notebook, and the planner. Okay, so this one is the large print book content is about 16 point font size. So this particular one you can use it for ebooks. And why you seeing this option, because we choose the paperback. Okay, because the paperback majorly is of low content, but if you want to have a large print, you can choose this as well. That is both of them. Okay, so so and also looking at the 16 point font size, if you know that your book or your poem or your motivational book has that, you can equally take it. Okay, so I don't think mine is that. So adult content, does this book contain language, situation, or image inappropriate for children 18 under 18 years of age? No. So you save and continue to the next level. Okay, sorry, you didn't choose the category. Okay. Oops. So here you choose up to two categories. So I think our education is among